Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock market account. Open a brokerage website, click Sign Up, and gather your ID, SSN, and bank details. I'll walk you through picking account types, funding options, and basic security steps. Stay relaxed, follow along, and pause if you need to complete any forms or upload documents. By the end, you'll know the next steps to start investing with confidence. Choosing the right broker makes trading easier and less stressful, so look for low fees, strong security, and useful tools. Test demo accounts when available and compare commissions, margin rates, and investment options like stocks, ETF, and mutual funds. Read simple reviews and focus on platform usability for your goals. If you plan to trade often, prioritize speed and order types. If long-term, prioritize research and low costs. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and store food without spills, perfect for packed lunches while you monitor your investments. They save time and keep your meals fresh between trades. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Funding and verification are straightforward but important steps to complete before trading begins, so link your bank, choose a funding method, and confirm minimum deposit rules. Use ACH for no fees or instant transfer if you want to trade immediately, noting any limits. Upload clear scans or photos for identity checks and follow security prompts like two-factor authentication. Once verified and funded, you can place your first trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.